Alright, you can see here a white background, and we're going to make the color variations starting from the rooftop. Looks like it's a purple sky, the color diminishing as we move to the downward direction. So much deeper color you can see on top, and gradually it's decreasing, getting lighter as we come to the ground level. Okay, so in the ground we're going to put the color green. So this is going to be the ground color green, and for the grasses just putting the strokes like this one with a thinner brush. So you can do it like with a patience, takes times but looks really good, great. Okay, so lots of grasses here. On top we're going to draw the trees, actually the taller trees, just drawing like this one. So palm trees or some other trees has that types of characteristics. Okay, all right. So taller trees, one. So we're going to draw another one, actually two of those. Let's draw another trees like this one, so you can see the leaves. Okay, leaves here. And if we want to make the main trunk colorful, then add a different colors, and it has a curve, so you can see the curve. Awesome. So two trees here. When you draw, just draw like a simple pattern, the birds flying. So drawing something in the skyline, lots of birds. Okay, one more stuff, if you like to add some clouds, then you can add some white color on the top portions, and just few dots like a cloud shapes like this in between the flying birds. Let's make the interesting variations of the clouds. So the drawing is coming almost to an end. It's a broad daylight, and for that purpose just putting a white circle here, which is going to be a sun. Awesome. So the circular shape actually defines the sun, and the green shape is for the tree outlines, some branches just going towards the sun, and few strokes you can see at the bottom of the tree lines. Little gain for the adjustment. Okay, awesome. So this is it. And a very simple drawing you can do in seconds, in moments. Very easy, simple tree, clouds, and the grasses at the bottom. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. See you in our next videos. Have a good day.